Hi! Today we are going to show you some interesting features of Bold Theme's new WordPress theme for directory and listing, Bello. This is one of the most flexible themes around. It lets you adjust listing attributes, search criteria and filters. Any listing, like this one, has certain attributes or information displayed on listings page. The main ones being location, contact, working hours, prices, website, images. Any additional attributes can also be shown, like in this case, under amenities. Additional attributes may be numerous and may vary depending on listing category. This is why Bello gives you the opportunity to add new ones or revise the existing ones. Let's see how it's done. In the back end, find listing in the menu. Go to categories. Now, go to beauty shops and click edit. Further down the page, you will find a text box entitled Custom Fields. We will look at this beauty salon as an example. Some services, additional features, facilities and other benefits for clients are listed under the title, Amenities. To add a new field under Amenities, scroll down and start typing in a new line. Begin by writing a custom field slug. Semicolon. Write your field label, as it will show in front end. Set a field type. The last one is a heading you want a new custom field to appear under. For a full list of field types, go to Bello Online Documentation. You can add a new heading, following the same process. For field types, read our online documentation. Click Update at the bottom of the page. Now you can set where you want this custom field to show. Click Update at the bottom of the page. This is how a signed-up user will see the options that are available to him. The user can check the boxes for the features he does have, and write the text under given headings. Click Submit button. Finally, our example listing page will look like this. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.